We've been together for a little over a year. I mean, we're
Yeah.
not too crazy. We could be crazier. We should be
No, I was
crazier.
joking around with the 3. It was probably like a 7 or an 8.
I usually steer clear of the anal area, but I'm up for an adventure. Have you analed?
No.
Okay.
No.
Nice packaging, it's kind of like an iPhone. So this is the remote, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Babe, it's going in your butt. Are you nervous?
No, I'm not nervous. Whoa.
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 Yeah, we like to have a playlist, and setting it up with the WeConnect app and basically
Was super easy.
It wasn't too big, it wasn't invasive at all, so
Yeah,
I mean, it can get pretty intense.
It does, but I mean, again, you have control of it, so.
What'd you think, a 10?
Yeah, I thought it was a 10.
I think we definitely recommend it.
I loved the control of it. It was really fun for me.
It's a little crazy.